Tired of spending hours sifting through dense papers? With SCiNiTo's new PDF analysis, you can upload any article and get instant structured insights, faster than ever before. Simply upload your paper. Instead of endless scrolling, just ask SCiNiTo what you need to know and get precise answers in seconds. Summarize key findings instantly, so you grasp the essence of a study without reading 25 pages. Confused by a figure or table? The AI explains visuals clearly, translating complex data into practical takeaways. Want to evaluate credibility? SCiNiTo breaks down the methodology, highlights potential biases, and helps you trust or verify the findings. And when you're ready to reuse insights, SCiNiTo can even generate summaries you can drop straight into your presentations or related work sections. With PDF analysis, you save time, uncover deeper insights, and never miss what matters most. Upload, ask, discover. Try it today at SCiNiTO.ai.